Hey guys, Joe Frank here, market analyst for YouTrading, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a quick look at a trade idea that I'm currently monitoring. It is to do with gold, this is the spot gold price. You can see one-day candlesticks. You can see just hovering here around 2020s, holding above the 21-day moving average for now. But we did fail last week in an attempt to get back above the record highs, which were actually printed back in August 2020. We came very close, but failed to get above it in March 2020. Sorry, March 2022. And then actually we failed to test either of those highs last week. But I mean, to me, it seems as though pressure for an upside break is building, both technically and fundamentally speaking. You can see that gold's been in an uptrend pretty much since last November, the beginning of last November. I mean, this isn't the best trend line just yet. We've only got one, two points marking this uptrend, but still think we are, it's pretty obvious we're in an uptrend in gold for now, at least in the medium term. So you could probably say that this is actually a descending triangle that we're in, and we know what happens with descending triangles. They tend to break to the upside. So that fits with my fundamental narrative as well. So that's what I'm looking for potentially here. We've got some important economic data coming up this week, like the US CPI release tomorrow. Now, obviously, if that comes in hotter than expected, there's going to be some short-term selling pressure. Could be a retest of recent lows in this 1,970 area. But on the off chance that there's a big downside surprise, we could potentially see gold breaking above these recent highs. Now, the way I'd be wanting to play this is if we get a downside surprise in the US CPI, if the economic narrative continues pointing us towards inflation coming down, the US labor market gradually weakening, the US economy probably heading towards a recession later this year, if bank crisis concerns remain in play, then I'm thinking we can keep pushing higher. So the way I'd want to play it would be to wait for that retracement and that retest of this key support area here, which is when you'd then be adding to those long positions. And then where would you be targeting? Well, I mean, you just really want to be thinking about hitting psychologically important round numbers potentially, as obviously when we get to all-time highs, there's not any historic price targets that you can look at. But anyway, yeah, this is a trade idea that I'm monitoring at the moment. I am sort of bullish in the medium to long term on gold for all those reasons I was just explaining. So yeah, guys, hope you all found this video enjoyable and informative, and I will see you all in the next one.